Hello everyone, this is Abhinav from Namaste Fragrance and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a much hyped and an interesting fragrance from the house of Calvin Klein. To be more specific, it's from the CK1 line of fragrances. So CK1 line of fragrances is one of the most successful fragrance lines from the house of Calvin Klein. Okay, it all started with this one, the CK1. Okay, this was first released in 1994, and since its release, it has spawned many flankers over the years. Okay, for those who are following my channel right from the beginning, you will remember that I started my channel with the CK1 Platinum Edition. This is a very interesting take on the original CK1 DNA. If you love CK1, you should definitely check out the video. I'll put a link somewhere over here. Okay, coming back to the fragrance that we are going to talk about today is this one. This is the CK1 Shock. Okay, this was among those many flankers from the CK1 line, and why I say was and not is, you will know in just a few minutes, so stay with me. So coming back to the fragrance, when this was first launched, it came as a shock to all of us because unlike other CK1 fragrances, this was not a unisex edition. Okay, this came in two compositions. CK1 Shock for her, the first one, and the other one is this, the CK1 Shock for him. Yeah. The other reason why this was a shock is because all the other CK1 fragrances, correct me if I'm wrong, but 90% of all the CK1 fragrances are designed for warm weather, but this one is totally opposite. On that note, let's get into the fragrance. Let's start with the presentation. This is the bottle of CK1 Shock. This is the front. It's all black with the concentration over here and the size of the bottle over here. This one is a 200 ml. Okay, this is the back. This is the bottom with the barcode. I don't know if you can see there, barcode and the batch code over there. Like other CK1 bottles, the design is pretty much the same, only this is black in color. The same design carries on forward onto the bottle, and this is how it comes. It originally comes with this cap, so you can use it as a splash, and the sprayer comes separately. Okay, so the sprayer is pretty good, like all the other CK1 fragrances. It sprays out a lot of juice, so be careful when you're spraying this. So let's talk about the notes. So it opens up with a clementine, citrusy clementine. Clementine is basically a type of orange. It's just that it has a thinner skin than orange and is a more sweeter. Okay, it's a more sweeter version of an orange, and it's a little smaller in size. It also has a cucumber in the opening and an energy drink accord. Yes, it has an energy drink accord. In the heart, it has some spices. It has black pepper, it has basil, and it has cardamom. Basil is tulsi, as we know in Hindi, and cardamom is elaichi. And it has a base of musk, patchouli, ambrine wood, and tobacco. This is a tobacco fragrance, guys. So when you first spray this, it opens up very fresh, citrusy, and throughout the fragrance, the tobacco note is a major player. Okay, tobacco note is a major player in this fragrance. You definitely get a little bit of freshness and the spiciness from this fragrance. I would say this is a very masculine fragrance. It is different. It is a compliment puller. People, when they smell this, are definitely going to give you compliments, and the tobacco in this doesn't come across like you just smoked a pack of cigarettes. It comes across in a good way. It's a good tobacco smell in a way wherein people are attracted to you and not the other way around. Okay, it also has a very citrusy, chocolatey vibe to it, especially in the opening, at least to my nose. I have heard some people say that this smells like a medicine, like a cherry flavored medicine, but I'm not sure. I don't feel that way about this fragrance. In terms of performance, this really came to me as a shock. In terms of longevity, I get around 5.5 to 6 hours of my skin, and in terms of projection, I get around 2 to 3 hours depending on when I wear this fragrance, which is actually good. I know this is not a beast performer, but when you compare it to the other CK1 fragrances, like the CK1 Original or the CK1 Platinum Edition, this performs better than those. Those will last you around 2 to 3 hours at least of my skin, and this one gives me around 5 to 6 hours, so I think that's a win. So in terms of versatility, this is more suitable definitely for a cooler weather, a more of a nighttime fragrance, unlike the other CK1 fragrances which are like a daytime summer kind of a fragrance. Technically you can wear this fragrance all year round if you want to, during summers or during the daytime, but I would not recommend it because this will work for you perfectly if you're wearing it in a cooler weather. You can wear this for a date night or for clubbing or just for a casual night out with friends. So lastly, I would like to say that this is an amazing fragrance with good performance and the ability to get you compliments. Okay, my wife really loves it, and coming from her, that's a good thing because she normally doesn't like tobacco fragrances. She hates them, and she's more of a blue fragrance kind of a person. So for her to like this one, I take it as a win for this fragrance actually. And it is one of those fragrances that smells expensive than it actually is. And if you're one of those people who likes tobacco fragrances, who likes to smell different, who likes cool weather fragrances, I think you will definitely like this one. And if you can get your hands on this one, I would recommend that you definitely go for this, or at least smell it once. So in terms of availability, there's another shock for you guys. Okay, this fragrance has been discontinued, or maybe not sure about that, but it's definitely not available in stores, especially in India. I checked Shoppers Stop, I checked Lifestyle, I checked Parcos. So these are 3 retail stores from where you can buy fragrances, good original fragrances you get from here. It's not available over there. I checked on Amazon, I checked on Flipkart, I checked on Nykaa, I checked on Tata Click. Nowhere. This fragrance is currently shown unavailable, especially on Amazon and Flipkart. And if at all you're getting this fragrance online, which is where you will mostly get it, especially in India, there is a high probability that it's going to be a fake. So please be careful, because this is a good fragrance. A lot of people wear this, a lot of people like this fragrance. And if you're worried that you're going to get a fake one, but if you still want something that smells similar to this, you can definitely check out Burberry London. You can check out Guerlain Homme Intense. You can also check Ferragamo F Black. And there are a couple more. I'll put the list down in the description. I'm not saying that these fragrances smell exactly the same as this one, but they are in the same vein as the CK1 shop. So that's it from me. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, a sub would be highly appreciated. And if you love this fragrance and you want it to come back, do let me know in the comments below. Till then guys, stay safe. Smell you later. Namaste.